Hi, this is Fei from ePant. We bring the cross-styric e-paper technology to InfoComm. And here I want to introduce a few of our outdoor products to you. So from here, you can see this one of the 31.5 inch with the solar panel integrated. So this is suitable for the windows facing display, facing the street, and the daytime the sunlight can charge the display, and the nighttime will turn on the front light. And here it's another one, this 31.5 inch as well, but designed for the bus stop, station, etc. So got front lights as well, curved glass. It's IK09 rated. And on the top is our 28-inch stretch display. That's designed for the passenger information for the bus station or the railway station. And you can see the picture is really clear and even looks better when put it outdoor. So yeah, if you want more information about our outdoor series, please visit our website www.epant.global. Thanks.